Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. Continuing to go over a lot this Tuesday afternoon. Rain, freezing rain, wet snow, all continuing. Additional accumulation. We could still see 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch of ice accumulation in some areas. We will go over that. And those icy roads, dangerous travel, power outages, tree damage, all of those continue as well. A few safety tips if you need to go out this afternoon for any reason. Be sure to slow things down. Ice can sneak up on you very quickly. Allow extra time, allow extra stopping distance, and extra space between you and vehicles in front of you. And as always, it's a good idea to keep that safety kit in your car. We're at 36 here in Fargo, so we have seen a steady temperature and steady light rain all morning long. 39 Detroit Lakes and in Wadena, 41 in Fergus Falls. All of these areas seeing rain, but where we see temperatures below freezing, we are seeing freezing rain. As for the tri-state picture here, several sectors really that we're watching. The warmer sector seeing rain, the cold sector seeing snow through South Dakota and pushing into parts of southeastern North Dakota, and then cool sector, we'll call it, seeing freezing rain. So a little closer view here of the Southern Valley. Fargo, Colfax, Fergus Falls, Detroit Lakes, all still seeing rain, as we have been since last night. Southeastern North Dakota, Lidgerwood, Oaks, up into Lisbon, Ellendale, down towards Aberdeen. More of that mixed precipitation with temperatures closer to the 32-degree mark. Valley City, Jamestown, Page, Cooperstown, Mayville, Grand Forks, Grafton, all the way up into the Northern Valley, seeing freezing rain ongoing at this time. Now, temperatures this afternoon, we're going to remain pretty steady. We may warm up a degree or so, but really the precipitation type that you are seeing right now is likely to continue. Tomorrow afternoon, similar temperatures, but drier conditions after the morning. As for what we can expect for additional icing accumulation this afternoon, 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch here in this strip of darker pink. The light pink, just expecting an additional glaze of icing. As for snowfall, it's not going to be a lot. It might accumulate just a little bit late tonight, but it's really going to be that wet, slushy kind of snow late this evening. A trace to an inch maximum. As far as additional total moisture, some places we could still see 1/2 an inch to an inch of rainfall. Most areas that see precipitation still on track for up to around 1/2 an inch of rain. So we'll take a look at that hour-by-hour forecast here and what we can expect now through the rest of today and even into tomorrow, with our precipitation continuing to be predominantly rain, freezing rain, and a little bit of snow in southeastern North Dakota. So this continues, same track all afternoon long, but then you see that bit of changeover to that wet, slushy snow in parts of the Southern Valley, stretching into adjacent west central Minnesota. Again, temperatures are going to be quite mild, quite moderate, so not expecting a lot of accumulation. But these snow showers continue to kind of taper all the way through tomorrow morning. Much better conditions by tomorrow afternoon, but we remain pretty cloudy, and we might even see a little bit of refreezing tonight as well. So slow and steady improvements. A little bit of melting during the daytime, freezing at night. So we're likely going to remain icy for a little while longer. Alex, heading into the new year, temperatures still remain above average, though, at least for this time of year.
Which is crazy. I always feel like New Year's is -20, not 27 above.
Yeah,
That's
we talked about this earlier. I always wanted to go sledding on New Year's Day and was never able to because it was always too cold growing up.
No, this is your chance.
I know.
You may only get one.
But there's no snow.
I feel like you could go pretty fast down the hill. There's enough ice.
Ice skating.
Yeah. Thank you so much.